Hey everybody, my name is Amanda. I'm a senior R&D associate here at Building Momentum, and today I'm going to show off a couple of our SV-MVG cases made for the U.S. Marine Corps. So today I have two polished cases. Both of them are vacuum formed here at our shop on our 2x4 foot vacuum former. They are both made out of 3/16 inch thick ABS with a thin layer of EVA foam for lining. Those two materials have been vacuum formed separately in these prototypes. We are also looking into vacuum forming them together in future iterations. But just to show off some of the features of these, we have added ribs on this iteration before they did not have these. These will add quite a bit of structural support, as well as on one of these prototypes we have an added lip at the top, which also adds quite a bit of strength. In both of these we have 3 drainage holes on the bottom. All of those are 1/4 inch diameter, as well as, like I said, the thin EVA foam lining. That is to muffle any sounds from the goggles sitting inside of these cases. We're hoping to move forward with large-scale manufacturing on these guys. Hopefully with the same vacuum former we can get about 6 at a time, and in the future I can talk a little bit more about the manufacturing process for these. But just so you can see, that's what they look like, and we will show off some fit tests and strength tests in a moment. Alright, so here we have a couple of lids for our MVG case. We made these in cases, no pun intended, where the user would not want to have their MVG case in a pre-existing pouch. Now this is a requested lid that is a friction fit lid. The main problems with this design is if you squeeze it a little too hard, it starts to pop out, especially on, you can see it on this side where this is a little bit more flush to the case. Now when that happens, this is really easily removed. The other problem with this is since we have our vacuum formed EVA foam on the inside, if you push this in a little too hard or one of the corners catches weird, it does cause a bit of tearing on the inside. Now the other option that our team worked on is this laser cut lid with bootstraps around the case. Now this can be easily removed as well. You just pull the bootstraps up over the eyepieces, and this is a rough case. It's stuck a little bit. There we go. It pops off. Now this design could be modified. This is a very rough prototype of this design. The hooks are the main issue here. As you can see, they pop off relatively easily, but that can be modified and it'll work in the same way. We just won't have the hooks pop off quite as easily. So it'll still be the removal method of just pulling the bootstraps over the eyepieces, and it's about as quick as pulling your friction fit lid off.